When I bought my motorcycle, the dealer advised me to change the engine oil every time the trip meter marked 5,000 km or every 6 months, whichever comes first since the last oil change. I usually take my bike to mechanic shop for the job, but if I did it myself, it would save about 2,000 yen per change. So I decided to try it this time. Here are the things I needed for the job: oil dispose box, torque wrench, 17mm hex socket, ratchet handle, jug. I also had a regular wrench for backup, but I did not actually use it. There is one more thing I needed, but I was not aware at this stage, and I had to go back to my room later to bring it. The general process of the oil change is pretty simple. Drain the old oil out and pour new oil in. But there are things you shouldn't forget in this procedure. I turn the engine again to heat up the oil so the fluidity increases and drain out smoother. I didn't know how long I should run the engine. I just decided it's good when I felt the heat. I think it was about 5 minutes. This box is handy. The fluffy clothes inside take up the oil, and I can throw away with garbage. I was loosening the drain bolt, but it was really tight. I gave more force to the ratchet handle, and when it was loosened, too much momentum made me hit the back frame and injured my thumb. It was not serious, only a little blood and a bruise. The position of the box wasn't right, and the oil was spilled a bit. It's supposed to replace the drain washer every time you change the engine oil. When I was about putting back the drain bolt, I realized that I did not bring the drain washer to replace. I am using a torque wrench to tighten the bolt with right torque, which is 43 Nm for Yamaha bolt. $3.7 of oil should be added if not replacing the oil filter, and 4 liters when replacing the filter. I should have wear gloves for the works not used to. I learned this lesson in a hard way in this work. But I still think it wasn't a bad job for the first time. Thanks for watching.